Have you ever pondered the untapped artificial intelligence potential resting in your pocket? Just a decade ago, the idea of a pocket-sized device with the capabilities of a computer was a far-fetched concept. However, in our modern era, smartphones have not only become commonplace but have also evolved into powerful tools with capabilities extending far beyond mere communication. Welcome, dear listener. We are glad you joined us today. If you have not already done so, please share, like, and subscribe to keep the conversation going and be notified of future videos. These devices are now equipped with processors that rival those found in desktop computers, making them the perfect platform for the next big leap in technological advancement: artificial intelligence. With every swipe, tap, and voice command, AI is subtly integrated into our everyday smartphone interactions. From voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant, to predictive text and face recognition, AI is already at our fingertips, ready to transform our smartphone experience. But what if we could harness this technology to do more? What if our smartphones could become our own personal AI creation labs? In the next few minutes, we'll walk you through the process of turning your smartphone into an AI powerhouse. To start, let's tackle the burning question: what makes a smartphone suitable for AI applications? Well, it's not just about having the latest model with all the bells and whistles, it's more about the right combination of processing power, storage capacity, and other hardware features. Imagine your smartphone as a miniature laboratory. In this lab, the microprocessor is the brain, carrying out complex calculations at lightning speed. For AI applications, you'll want a smartphone with a strong processor. The more powerful the processor, the more efficient your AI model will run. And don't worry if your phone isn't the latest model on the market. Even mid-range smartphones from the last couple of years pack enough punch to handle basic AI tasks. Next up, storage. AI models can be data hungry, and the larger your available storage, the more data you can feed them. Having ample storage space also allows for the installation of AI apps and the storage of the resulting creations. It's like having a spacious room in your lab to store all your experiments and tools. Now, let's talk about other hardware features. Things like camera quality and sensor availability can significantly impact the kind of AI creations you can make. For example, a high-resolution camera can capture detailed images for image recognition models, while a variety of sensors can contribute valuable data to various AI projects. And what about the operating system? Both Android and iOS have robust ecosystems supporting AI development, so you're good to go with either. However, do keep in mind that some AI apps may be platform-specific. Lastly, your phone's battery life matters. AI processing can be energy-intensive, and you wouldn't want your device conking out in the middle of a project. So, in essence, while a powerful, feature-rich smartphone can certainly provide more opportunities for AI creation, you can start dabbling in AI even with a modest device. The key is understanding your phone's capabilities and working within them. With the right smartphone in hand, it's time to explore the apps that will unlock its AI capabilities. A smartphone without the right software is like a car without fuel. To truly ignite the AI potential of your smartphone, you'll need to equip it with the right apps. Let's start with TensorFlow Lite. Developed by Google, this open-source machine learning framework is designed specifically for mobile and edge devices. TensorFlow Lite allows you to run machine learning models on your smartphone, even if it's offline. You can use it to create AI models from scratch or to import existing ones. Next up is IBM Watson Services. Watson's powerful suite of AI tools includes visual recognition, natural language processing, and machine learning capabilities. You can train Watson to recognize specific objects and images, transcribe speech into text, or even analyze sentiment in written content. All of this can be accomplished right from your smartphone. Then we have Apple's Core ML. If you're using an iPhone, this machine learning framework is built right into your device. Core ML can analyze images, recognize speech, predict text, and even understand natural language, all while keeping your data private. Installing these apps is as simple as downloading them from your device's app store. Once installed, they can capture a wide range of data, from images and speech to text and sensor readings. But with great data comes great responsibility. It's crucial to handle and protect your data efficiently. Make sure to only capture what you need and to anonymize any sensitive information. Remember, privacy is paramount, especially when dealing with AI. To store your data, consider using a cloud-based service like Google Cloud or Amazon Web Services. These platforms offer robust data storage solutions that can scale as your AI projects grow. Plus, they offer a variety of tools for analyzing and processing your data. In conclusion, your smartphone is a powerful tool for AI creation, but it needs the right fuel to get going. TensorFlow Lite, IBM Watson Services, and Apple's Core ML are just a few examples of the essential apps that can help you unlock your device's AI potential. Now that we are armed with the right apps, let's delve into the world of AI models. Scene script. AI models are the brains behind our AI creations. Let's explore how we can build or import these. AI models in essence are algorithms that learn patterns and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to do so. They're like digital apprentices, learning from the data they're fed and becoming smarter with each interaction. Building an AI model on a smartphone is like cooking a gourmet meal in a compact kitchen. It's a bit of a challenge, but with the right tools, it's entirely possible. There are several apps available that allow us to build basic AI models directly on our smartphones. These apps typically provide a user-friendly interface and a variety of preset algorithms, making the process of building an AI model as simple as selecting the right ingredients for our gourmet meal. But what if you're not a chef, or in this case an AI engineer? No worries. There's a shortcut: importing pre-existing models. Just as you can order a gourmet meal and have it delivered to your door, you can also download fully trained AI models from numerous online repositories. These models have been trained on extensive datasets and are ready to be put to work immediately. Importing an AI model is as simple as downloading a file and uploading it into your AI application. Imagine downloading a recipe and then having your kitchen automatically prepare the meal. It's that straightforward. However, just like cooking, it's not all about following the recipe. You need to understand the ingredients, the process, and the outcome. Similarly, when working with AI models, it's important to understand the type of data they were trained on, their capabilities, and their limitations. This understanding empowers you to effectively utilize the model and, if necessary, fine-tune it to better fit your specific needs. With a working AI model, we're now ready to put our smartphone AI lab to the test. What can we create with our newly minted AI lab? Let's find out. The curious minds among us have already ventured into the world of smartphone AI, and the results have been nothing short of astonishing. Let's look at some of the most notable achievements. First, we have Seeing AI, an app developed by Microsoft that uses artificial intelligence to narrate the world to the visually impaired. It can identify people, read text, and even recognize currency. This application is a perfect example of how AI can transform a smartphone into a powerful tool for good. Next, there's the story of a group of Stanford researchers who created an AI algorithm that, when run on a smartphone, can detect skin cancer with a level of accuracy comparable to board-certified dermatologists. This is a game changer in healthcare, and it was built right on a smartphone. Then there are the folks at Google, who have been using AI in their Translate app to provide real-time translation for over 100 languages. This app can translate text and images too, making it an indispensable tool for travelers. And let's not forget about the myriad of AI-driven photo editing apps that can transform your pictures into works of art. Apps like Prisma use AI to apply artistic styles to your photos, creating results that could rival Picasso. But it's not just about the big players. Independent developers and hobbyists are also creating exciting AI applications using smartphones. For instance, developers are building apps that use AI to monitor plant health, predict weather changes, and even detect potential car issues before they become serious problems. These examples only scratch the surface. The possibilities are as vast as your imagination. From healthcare to art, education to agriculture, AI is transforming our smartphones into powerful creation labs. While the journey has been exciting, there are still a few challenges we need to address. Every new frontier comes with its unique set of challenges. Using a smartphone for AI creation is no exception. The primary hurdles often include limited storage, processing power, and battery life. However, cloud-based AI solutions can alleviate such issues by offloading heavy tasks to powerful remote servers. Furthermore, optimizing your AI models for mobile deployment and employing power-saving techniques can significantly enhance your smartphone's efficiency. Overcoming these challenges paves the way for a future full of possibilities. As we stand on the precipice of this exciting era, what does the future hold for AI and smartphones? Well, imagine your phone predicting your needs before you even know them. Think of it as your personal assistant, capable of scheduling your day, managing your tasks, and even making your coffee. Advancements in AI technology could also lead to breakthroughs in healthcare, environmental sustainability, and more. As we continue to unlock the AI potential in our smartphones, who knows what incredible creations await us in the future. For more on the AI revolution and how it is transforming our lives, please check out the video cards on the end screen. Thank you for spending time with us today. We will see you in the next video.